This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 41 Cloud Fog Computing Overview. Wind power generation captures kinetic energy through turbines and converts it to electrical energy, with recent advances replacing fixed generators with partially or fully variable types, such as the cost-effective DIG wind system. The DFIG wind system allows bidirectional power flow between the stator and rotor, with the stator directly connected to the grid at fixed voltage and frequency, while the rotor speed varies, requiring control for grid operation. At subsynchronous speeds, the rotor draws power from the grid, and at supersynchronous speeds, excess rotor power is fed back to the grid via converters. The DFIG hardware setup consists of a wind emulator, the DFIG itself, and a back-to-back converter. The wind emulator uses a DC motor and buck converter to mimic wind turbine characteristics, while the DFIG control strategy calculates reference torque, current, and pitch angle from wind data. A 2.2 key induction generator is operated through an FPGA-based controller, with the stator connected to a power amplifier after synchronizing voltage and phase angle. The rotor side converter synchronizes the DFIG with grid voltage and phase operating in speed power control mode, while field-oriented control vectors are used for DQ axis rotor current control. Maximum power point tracking is implemented via the perturb and observe method, estimating reference rotor speed for key axis current control, and D-axis rotor current governs stator power factor by reactive power management. The software is accessed via WebEx with voltages supplied by a 15 kVA 50Hz amplifier for a 240V line-to-line voltage. The DC link is charged, a phase-locked loop enabled, and the grid-side converter maintains the desired DC link voltage of 380V, while a DC motor, driven by varying chopper duty, provides wind characteristics by rotating an induction machine above 900 RPM. The rotor side controls are used to build stator voltage, match grid phase and increase rotor current to align stator and grid voltages. The DFIG operates in subsynchronous, synchronous, and supersynchronous modes with varying power delivery, demonstrating the operational principles of a doubly fed induction generator wind turbine. In conclusion, the presentation discussed the operational principles of a doubly fed induction generator wind turbine, with key takeaways including wind turbine capturing kinetic energy and converting it to electricity, the DFIG allowing bidirectional power flow between rotor and grid via converters, the hardware setup mimicking wind conditions, and controlling the DFIG via FPGA, field-oriented control vectors ensuring synchronization and MPPT optimizing power extraction, and the software managing DC link charging, grid synchronization, and power flow. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.